What if I told you that vinegar is the superhero of your household? You won't believe what this little bottle can do. Let's dive into 10 surprising uses for vinegar you didn't know about. First up, unclogging a drain. Pour some vinegar and baking soda down the drain, let it fizz, and boom, no more clogs. Got sticky stuff? Vinegar removes adhesive residue like a champ. Bad smells? A bowl of vinegar overnight can freshen up any room. DIY cleaning products? Mix vinegar with water and voila, your new go-to cleaner. Fruit flies bugging you? Create a trap with vinegar and dish soap. Bye-bye bugs, wrinkled clothes, spritz some vinegar then iron. Wrinkles, be gone. Pets scratching up your stuff? Vinegar spray can help deter them. Want your flowers to last longer? Add a splash of vinegar to the water. Cleaning your glasses? Vinegar gets them crystal clear. And finally, baked on gunk in your frying pan? Let vinegar soak in and scrub away. So there you have it, DIY enthusiasts. Get that vinegar working for you. Don't forget to check out Audible for more household hacks. Link in the description.